I saw Phil Yu do this, and I'm going to draw here a line. And this is like how awesome a cube is, right? With down here being like the Gan 15, in the middle here being like, I don't know, RS3M V5, and then right at the top here we've got the V11, right? However, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a line here, which is like how tight you like your cube. Tightness. And on this side, you have the control kings. If you have ever said, I prefer the 8 magnet ball core to the 20 magnet, or, oh, I wish this came with springs instead of maglev, or, you know, you were born in 2004 or before, you probably sit here. And that's fine. That's a great place to live. That used to be the meta. And nowadays, it's not just beginners, but like I watched Caden Lee's interview with, or podcast with Timon, which if you haven't watched, go and watch it. But Timon's like,
why is everyone using exploding 3x3s? To just give an example of what I'm talking about, at Worlds in the semifinal, I got Timofey's cube. Like we got our cubes swapped. His cube is so loose that if you just try to grip it, like it feels like it's gonna fall apart. Every one of the Chinese competitors that's at the top is using really loose and fast 3x3s.
Timon's like, all these new kiddies, the new meta, we're gonna call these the TPS demons. And TPS demons, they set their cubes super, super loose. And so with the V11, it stays awesome from here all the way across there. That's the V11, right? Now, you might find, these guys might find this uncontrollable, and these guys might find this too tight, but the cube is still awesome. The Gan V100 is phenomenal here. I'm going to give it that it is a fantastic cube for the price, for what it is. However, as you make this cube looser and looser, it becomes just hot garbage. It becomes hot garbage. And I pointed this out in the Gan 16 review video, that they have tried to solve the problem of locking by adding round things onto the corner magnets. I like the size, I like the color, but they've killed this cube. If I was to describe it, this one feels like it's on rails. It's really, really cool. This one, at this end, when you're in the control king area, yeah, this one is really, really good. It's great, in fact. But then as you loosen it, this feels not just like tactile, but almost like a shopping trolley running over cobblestones. It's really, really bad. I've put both of these on the loosest settings. First, here's a little sound check for you. Right. Listen to this. Okay. This is lubed. There we go. Now I want you to listen to the Gan. That sound that you're hearing, that click, 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 that's every time those stems are hitting something. And let me show you this. Look, here's a visual for you. Give me the mic back. The whole cube, that click, 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 click that's happening, that click, 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 click is making the entire cube not just move and give, but vibrate. It's really, like, I don't know whether you can see this. Like, look at this. This is insane. Here's the Moyu, right? It's as loose, and I'm just holding this the same way. Look at this crap. What is? It's crazy. This, I can't, it's so bad. This is so bad. So should you buy this cube? I mean, if you're here, if you're a control king, if you never want to experiment, if you know that you like it tight and you like a control, and you know, this will be a great cube. It's better than the 16 for this price. Absolutely. But if you want to do any experimentation, if you're going to mess around with settings and try and find a looseness, and you know you like your cubes pretty loose, you have to get the V11. Right, this is on offer right now on most places for the same price as this. It's a no-brainer. If you don't live in this little sliver here, get the V11. And then if you do live here, I think this is a better cube, but I could understand why you might want a Gan. So, yeah,